Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for performance reviews in our 2025 guide. The first thing we need to do is set up a new board. We do this by clicking on the Add Board icon on your dashboard. This helps us because it provides a dedicated space for performance reviews where you can track progress, manage tasks, and get a visual overview. Now that we've done that, let's add the necessary columns. We start by clicking on Add Column, and then we'll add appropriate column types like People, Rating, Status, and Text. The reason we do this is to document the necessary details for each team member's performance review. It's useful to have everything in one place, making comparisons and evaluations simpler. Next up, we populate these columns with the relevant information. We do this by clicking on each cell and inputting the required data. This step is critical because it gives us the detailed insight we need about each team member's performance. Let me explain why this matters. By having all this information in one place, we can easily identify strengths, areas for improvement, and overall performance trends. Now we move on to creating automations. This is done by clicking on the automations icon and selecting the desired triggers and actions. This helps us because it streamlines the review process. For instance, when a review is complete, you can set an automation to change the status column automatically. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is taking repetitive tasks off your plate, allowing you to focus on what really matters, the reviews themselves. Finally, we need to share this board with the relevant people. You can do this by clicking on the Share button on the top right corner. The reason we do this is to ensure transparency and foster a culture of feedback and improvement. Everyone involved in the performance review process can access the board, track progress, and contribute as necessary. And there we have it. You're now equipped to use Monday.com for your performance reviews effectively. Remember, the goal here is to simplify and streamline your review process so you can focus on improving team performance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.